Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you what happened during weeks 8 and 9 of our home building journey. So it's week 8 and the foundation walls are up. So this week they poured cement into the foundation walls to strengthen the walls. They will be pouring the dirt, backfilling into the foundation, so they needed the walls strengthened so they would not break open with all of that dirt pressing up against it. So here you'll see the cement in the walls. I'll show you a little clip of that. Again, this is just to strengthen the walls so the dirt will not break apart the foundation walls once it's poured, the backfill dirt's poured in. And on Tuesday of week 8, they delivered all of the dirt to be filled into the foundation. So here's all the dirt. And on Wednesday and Thursday, they backfilled all that dirt into the foundation. I believe they had, I don't even know how many truckfuls of dirt. There were a lot. So this took a couple days to fill in. And after they filled that in, they got a compaction test to make sure it was compacted good. And this just shows some more of the dirt being backfilled into the foundation. These guys are pros. They worked with efficiency and they did a great job. And at the end of week 8, on Friday, the plumbing was installed into the foundation backfill. So you'll see all the plumbing here. And it's all installed and ready to be inspected. And on Monday of week 9, they did the inspection for the plumbing. And that's all that got done on week 9. It was a holiday week, a Thanksgiving, and so week 10 they will start with everything else. So thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and make sure you check out my blog, abowfuloflemons.net, and be sure to subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.